This beautiful painting is called A Warm Refuge from the Cold. It was a gift to Norwescap from one of the households that we assisted in the previous heating season. When people contact Norwescap in general, or specifically our Housing and Energy Services team, they can expect to be treated and greeted by professional individuals who care about their needs, are compassionate about their needs, and very passionate about the programs that we provide. The Energy Conservation Program scientifically evaluates the greatest areas of heat loss in a home. We will measure the levels of insulation in the attic and the sidewall. We will identify any air bypasses or heat loss around windows and doors. We will evaluate the efficiency of all the appliances in the house, that being your heating system, your hot water tank, and all your major kitchen appliances, because they are your energy users. We will evaluate them and make recommendations to what can be done to improve your energy efficiency in your home. And then we will follow up with your participation and install the materials to reduce that heat loss, and thereby reducing your heat cost during the winter. The Energy Assistance Program works hand in hand with the Energy Conservation Program, but in this regard we assist you by helping you pay your heating bills and your utility bills during the winter months. You would apply for the Energy Assistance Program and complete the application, and you would receive an energy benefit to forward to your fuel oil supplier or your liquid propane supplier, or to purchase wood, or if you heat by a natural gas or electric, to pay your utility. In addition to that, under the Universal Service Fund, which is a component of the Energy Assistance Program, they help you with a monthly credit towards your natural gas and electric bill, again to ensure that you pay no more than 3% of your income towards your utility bills.
With the weatherization program, we also have a refrigerator replacement program. The refrigerator consumes the most energy in any household. So if your refrigerator is usually 12 years or older, that's your biggest source of energy. So what we do is we go in and we meter it, we run a meter, let it run for 1 hour, take the data off of that, go back to the office, and there's a refrigerator replacement program in the computer that we punch in all the models, numbers in there, and what we'll replace with that model number, and if it says yes or no, it'll let us know if it's good to replace.
If you're a senior citizen residing in Warren or Sussex County, we also have a safe housing program. Working with the Division of Senior Services in each county, we will come out and visit with you to identify health and safety concerns that you may have in the home. Do you need ADA accessibility assistance in the bathroom or in a common area like in the hallway or going up the steps? Or do you have an electrical problem or a plumbing problem that's really impacting your ability to live in the home? We will work with you to identify them and rectify it. Using either contracted labor or in-house labor, we will make those corrections to assist you and thereby helping you stay in your home in a healthy environment and safely. Norwescap for a good number of years has been working with local government, municipalities, and townships to manage and develop affordable housing. We assist the municipalities with their grant management, with their program implementation, whether it be for a housing renovation or repair program or an actual development of affordable housing. One of our more comprehensive programs that we provide is a homelessness prevention program. We provide that service in Morris County, Sussex County, Warren County, Hunterdon County, and Somerset County, working with individuals, families, who have fallen behind through no fault of their own from an economic impact situation. They've fallen behind on their rent. We can assist them with making back payments, bringing them current with their landlord to forestall any opportunity for an eviction. We work with legal aid. We work with the applicant, of course, with legal aid and the court system and the landlord to bring all the parties together to have the need met, so the debt is consolidated and taken care of, so that person can then maintain the residency. We also have a toll-free information and referral service. Individuals in Northwest New Jersey that have a need for specific information that they can't readily identify or find on their own and can call our First Call for Help service. It is a one-stop shop, letting individuals essentially let their fingers do the walking to contact Norwescap First Call for Help and seek the information that they need and get that information in referral so then they can act accordingly to meet their needs. That toll-free number is available 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, and the number is 1-877-661-4357. For your energy conservation or energy assistance needs, by calling our toll-free number 1-888-454-4778. If they are interested in homelessness prevention program or any basic housing assistance needs, they can call the Norwescap main number at 908-454-7000, and the extension is 160. And of course, we also conduct home visits. We are find over the years that individuals are far more comfortable sitting at the kitchen table discussing their needs than coming here to the office or even talking over the phone. So we're very accommodating in that way. We assist in excess of 16,000 households a year. Close to 45 years we have been providing these services. We started out in a very small function, very meager budget, providing basic housing assistance and very small, low cost, no cost energy conservation services. At that time, if we were able to assist a household with up to $200 worth of services, that was a lot. So we've grown a lot over the years. Our average unit cost now is about $6,500 because you have to remember, instead of just doing low cost, no cost, we're looking at your heating system. We're doing a lot of shell weatherization items. We're doing a lot of home repair activity. So the program has really grown based on the need. We encourage our community partners and the community in general to be receptive and supportive of affordable housing development in their neighborhoods, whether it be for a special needs population, whether they be disabled or elderly or young families. We also think it's important that people recognize the importance of energy conservation, basic recycling, which reduces your energy usage and your carbon footprint, and be supportive of programs specifically for the elderly and for young children. Because ultimately we believe our community will be judged by how well we responded to and assisted the needs of those that are in trouble. It's imperative to us that we maintain our commitment to comprehensive services, that we grow with the industries of the services that we're providing, and that we stay ahead of the curve, and that we pay attention to the needs of the people that come to us. The individual obviously is a very gifted artist. She does this as therapy and as a hobby to deal with her handicap. She painted this picture in grateful admiration to Norwescap for assisting her and her family to replace her heating system. They had been without heat for approximately 60 days during the early part of the heating season. We were able to come in and assist them, replace the heating system, get it up and running efficiently, insulate their home as well. She painted this painting for us. She used the windmill specifically to talk about how the passive energy usage. You'll notice the sun rays sitting on the side of the windmill and how warmth that would feel if you imagined it to the touch, even in the dead of winter. She said you can imagine the wind blowing against that windmill, but yet because it's warm inside, it is not affected by that. And how the windmill actually channels that negative, cold wind to make warm energy. And she said that actually represents Norwescap. It represents the services that we were able to provide to her, and she wanted to share that with us. And we are very grateful for this, because this painting says more to us than words possibly could.
Standing outside the property right now, showing you the exterior part of the blower door. After we completed all the work on this home, as I said in the beginning, we did a pre-blower door test and we just did a post-blower door test. We managed to stop 950 cubic feet of air per minute moving through this home. So it just goes to show you what little things can do to basically stop the nasty cold air from getting into your home.